Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed and today we are going to learn the fire ice cream photo editing using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open an image and make a copy of it using Ctrl J. Now select the quick selection tool and select the main subject. Press Alt while selecting to remove the area from selection. Add the layer mask to it. I am moving this layer on top. Select the layer 1 and add the brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Lower the brightness level to make it dark. Now add the curve layer and adjust it. Select both adjustment layers and make copy of it using Ctrl J. Move it above the layer 0. Right click and create the clipping mask so it only affects the layer 0 and not all the layers below it. Now place the fire image embedded. Resize it. Set the blending mode to screen. Add mask. Make sure the foreground color is black. Select the brush. Set its opacity. And remove the areas that you don't want. Add the color balance layer. Create clipping mask to it. Adjust the shadows, midtones and highlights. Select the layer 0 and add color balance layer. Move it on the top of all the adjustment layers for layer 0. Adjust the shadows, midtones and highlights. Click on color balance mask. Select the brush tool and remove the color from outer side of hand. Now add a layer. Double click the color and select the dark blue color to add darker shadows. Lower the opacity. Adjust the colors of picture. Add the color balance layer. Adjust the shadows, midtones and highlights. Select the brush tool and remove the color from outer side of hand. And we are done with our fire ice cream photo editing. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!